What does zest mean? The word zest refers to great enthusiasm, energy, and enjoyment for something. In simple words, zest means doing something with excitement, passion, and lively interest. When someone has zest, they show strong enthusiasm and positivity in what they do. For example, she lives her life with great zest. This means she lives with a lot of energy and excitement. Zest can also refer to the outer peel of citrus fruits like lemon or orange, which is used to add flavor in cooking. For example, the recipe uses lemon zest for extra flavor. This means the dish includes the thin outer skin of the lemon. Here are some more example sentences. He works with zest and dedication. The children played with great zest. The chef added orange zest to the cake. Some similar words for zest include enthusiasm, excitement, energy, and passion. In simple terms, zest means strong enthusiasm or lively enjoyment. Easy way to remember. Zest means great excitement and energy,